What's up, guys? It's Bone Crusher here. So I went to Tractor Supply and picked up one of these Jobsmart flashlights. Now, you've probably seen this brand before if you watch my buddy Motor. He's got a Jobsmart flashlight. It's not the reason I bought it. I just wanted a new flashlight. Alright. So we can go ahead and pull this open because I really don't want to risk cutting myself, because as cheap as them Kershaw knives are, they are sharp. There we go. Alright. But, this is what it looks like. Not zoomable, but it is a strobe light. Obviously, when you get flashlights that take rechargeable batteries, they there's a lot of rest. They usually have these little pieces in them just to keep it from turning on in the packaging and when the battery dead. But it's good though. Let's go ahead and see. Oh yeah, that's see something bright. Oh yeah, that'll work. Battery could also be charged as well. I'm not. Oh yeah, it does. Let's see. Yes, micro USB, so we're gonna have to use that. But that's pretty cool. I like that design. Let's see if I can show you this. I like that twist design, so that's really nice. And let me go ahead and show you this. Micro USB, and then there's a charge light. And then you just screw it back tight and it seals. Alright. Now, one thing I did not look at was the battery specs on it, even though they say on the site, but let's see. Alright, ICR, 18650, 2600 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt. Alright, and I should preference this enough. I think I've done it before when I vaped, but these batteries are not meant to be used in e-cigarettes, so yeah, more mods.